Last one in Unit M.18 Area of a Triangle, Heron's formula. So on this one, I'm going to give you a formula, and area equals 1/2 base times height for a triangle. But if you're not given any angles, then you're not going to be able to use the sine method. So if you're given all three sides, then this is what you're going to do. And I have no idea where this came from, but it's going to be super duper easy. So the first thing you're going to have to do is find S. And S is found by adding all of the sides and dividing by 2. And once you do that, then you're going to find the area. And the area is the square root of whatever your S is times whatever your S is minus one side times whatever your S is minus the second side times whatever your S is minus the last side. And that's going to be it. So we're going to find S on this one first. We're going to do 11 plus 21 plus 12 and divide by 2. And 11 plus 21 plus 12 divided by 2 is 22. So area is the square root of 22 times 22 minus 11 times 22 minus 21 times 22 minus 12. You can plug all of that into the calculator. I'm going to do it a little bit more step-by-step-ish. Okay, so 22 times 11 times 10 is 2420. And we're going to take the square root of that. 49.2. And on this one, it didn't give us a picture, but that's okay. It gave us 1, 2, 3 sides. And it wants us to find the area of this triangle. So we're going to find S first. So 27 plus 42 plus 22 divided by 2. 45.5. Now to find the area, we're going to do 45.5 times 45.5 minus 27 times 45.5 minus 42 times 45.5 minus 22. Now this time I'm just going to plug all of that. Actually, I am going to plug all of that into the calculator. So I have the square root button. $263.1, and you're done.